makaunat din ng mga 12 a.m. Why? Because I didn't eat dinner because of the video came out on Spawn by JB Dasinantal. So it's look, he said there's a 100% chance ang video came out on Spawn morning kanina. Then as I go to the kitchen in the afternoon, my dad is asking permission to show the cake that is light in the oven. And the video came out on Suits Me at 5 p.m. And then going to end at 2 a.m. So yeah, am I going to eat dinner at 12 and at 2 a.m. like some pa because of JB tasing onto someone's stuff video come out on this. Hoy, nano ka ba? So yeah, makaunat din ng mga 12 a.m. midnight because of his summon the video came out on guys kitchen. Oh, you didn't say video came out and that's twice naman patay ka. Yeah, because sabi because soon the video came out. Wabi na good talaga sa may own place tao. Name your idol goals from every single gacha RPG open world games mode. Akane Rin, Robin, Aimit, Stoyao, Barin Yunjin from Genshin, Lino. So all those 7 are from the gacha RPG game. Nakabaka nakabityo come out on weekends sa mga way to sing at was always Jimmy to sing until I like yourself. 7 are from the gacha RPG games na idol characters. Why is it naman? I have to cut with a stop and not to just say wag! Yeah, idol si Aya Aoyama sa Project Sekai. Project Sekai si Aya Aoyama. Piste ka ba? Ang Dream Girls Pampalsi sa Aya Aoyama. Oh yeah, have to pull for Nino tomorrow. Every single time that I just say Nino is so have to get a bit dozen that view. I'm not going to do this one on the green screen because it's just 3 minutes. You need that you have to stop working for this season.